Good day to all. This is how to clean the grinder of the Anfim SP2 or SP450. Just remove this 3 screw on the top. Then you can remove the hopper. And then use the Allen wrench key. It's actually 2.5 mm. Okay? Always going left to remove. Come closer, please. Okay. Remove the screw. The Allen wrench. Okay. 2.5. The size of the Allen wrench is 2.5. Don't forget that one. Okay. From the time you remove that one, take a picture of this. This is positioned from here. Okay. For example. Okay. And then remove this one here. Going left again. You should do this one by cleaning once a week. I suggest and I recommend once a week. Okay? To make sure the coffee is always fresh and always really good taste. Okay? It's like buying a car. Okay? If you buy a car, it's not my responsibility to clean your car. You should know how to clean your car. Okay? Like cleaning the car outside. But you must vacuum inside your car. Same like this. You can clean from outside and you should vacuum inside. Okay, this is the spring. You can remove this one. Okay, then removing this is going left. Turn left. Put this one here. Not so deep. Why? We avoid to scratch downside below. So make it like this. Then clean every coffee excess from this side. Okay, remove using the brush. Brush everything. Okay, and put this one like this with tissue. Okay. Now, it's already removed from here. You can remove this one by using the vacuum machine or, okay, the brush. Okay. Everything, all excess coffee will make and stay here. All the edges. Okay? So I really do suggest, especially nowadays it's cold now. So all coffee beans has oil. Okay? So oil, once the oil cold, it will be hard. So it's normal on the grinder it will stuck because Anfim grinder is cold. Okay? Again, reminder, Anfim grinder is cold. That's why the coffee is really good. If the grinder is hot, it will melt the oil. So it's normal. Okay? Now, everything removed from here. All you have to do is vacuum all inside. And then, from the time you're done, okay, from the time you're clean from here and here, okay, put this one like this. And go left, turn again, and you will hear the sound. Yeah, you hear that one? Once you hear that, you can go back now to normal. Okay? Put it all on the last. Okay? Once it's stuck on the last, you go back on the same position as earlier. This one. And put this one in the spring. Put this one here. Okay. It should be 2 person to hold this one. Somebody should hold the other one to make sure it's tight. Somebody should hold here, huh? if you use the grinder, you use it small grind and adjust to big grind, okay, it will stuck. So all you have to do is remove and clean this one. It's so easy. Again, put it back this one from here. Make sure you push this going to the gear of the blade. It should be fit on the blade, okay. It should be rotating. If not, it will be difficult. Don't adjust it very tight. Don't make it tight too much for a while, okay. Once the adjustment, this one you cannot turn, it will be difficult for you. Don't force it, okay. Don't force it, you will broke it. Now it's moving, it's easy, so it's okay, it's done, okay. And then you can put this one now here, okay. Again, it's a reminder, okay, same as you buy the car, okay. If you buy a car, we are not responsible to clean your car, okay. All you have to do, okay, clean from outside and also vacuum your car inside the car. So same as this one, you clean from outside the grinder and also vacuum inside the grinder. I recommend to vacuum at least once a week. If you really busy day, after the busy day, you remove and clean the grinder so that 100% sure your coffee is really tastes excellent. Okay, thank you.